This is an Alberta emergency alert. Municipal District of Taber has issued a dust storm alert. This alert is in effect for MD of Taber. There is a strong windstorm, carrying dust and sand east of McCains and Chin on Highway 3. Visibility is very poor and Highway 3 is closed between Range Road 185 to 190. Traffic on Highway 3 is being detoured. Please avoid travel in this area. If you are in the affected area, avoid the area. Follow the directions of local authorities, and listen for further updates. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.